This is one of the ways to clear out your carburetor if it floods for your chainsaw. This is the MS-170. This one has the flathead entry to take the cover off here. Next thing you want to hit is your palm safety and your trigger, so that way you can push the choke down, so that way you don't snap your lever there. Now you can take it off. Now, a thing to remember is now that the cover's off, you want to put that back up. So you want to hold the trigger, go all the way up, and then down one. By going down one, you're going from off to idle. It's as far up as you can go, down one. You can't mess that up. Usually these are kind of a pain to take off with your hands. What I do is I just stick this in there. I hardly give it any leverage at all. Just pops right off. Releases your spark plug. Spark plug comes off. Now, if your machine is really flooded, you will see the gas on the plug. Usually I wipe it on my hand, and there's a good example. This flooded pretty decently. And then another thing you can do, mind you want this on idle, which is that first click. Usually I pull the cord about 10 times in a row, give it a rest, then I do it 10 more times. You'll usually see like a mist come out, which is the gas. Then you give it a rest for a few seconds. It's really for the person doing the pulling, because not everyone can just do 20 pulls right off the bat. And then usually I have my rag with me here, but yeah, that's a lot of fuel in there, a lot of oil mix. And you just simply button it back up, and the whole time you want to make sure that the machine is on idle. You do not need to set the choke again. It'll start from idle just fine. All right, then again, palm safety, trigger, all the way down with the lever, just so you can put the cover back on. Lock it into place, return it to idle, and then from there, everything should just go smoothly. You'll see the white cloud come out because there's still some fuel in there.